So I'm gonna leave this in my hair for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna wash it off, and it's gonna give me beautiful brown silky voluminous hair. This is like a protein treatment with hair color. Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm your internet beauty pharmacist. I love absolutely everything related to beauty, and on my channel I share a ton of DIYs, lots of tips and tricks, as well as lifestyle rituals which I follow personally and really believe in. I would love for you guys to stick around and be part of my Immians family as I upload every single week, and I love to experiment and try new products. So I would love to know what you guys want to see and want me to try. So let me know in the comments below, and let's move right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my secret to getting beautiful brown hair naturally, no chemicals at all. And this kind of includes a protein treatment that you will be doing at the same time. It's like, you know, getting two things done at once. It is so amazing for your hair and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. So make sure you watch till the very end of my video. And before I move into it, let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. If you want more hair care videos, if you want more body care, skin care, whatever you guys want, I will make. So let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to jump straight into it. So what we're going to be using for our natural hair color at home is henna. So henna is so common, like I'm in Pakistan, and in Pakistan or India or Middle East even, it is so common. We've been using it in our hairs for years. We've got henna on our hands. We love doing henna on our hands as well. And what we use on our hair is pretty much the same as what we do on our hands. It is so amazing for your hair. Henna has so many benefits. It not only strengthens your hair, it will color it naturally. You don't need to, you know, put chemicals in your hair and damage your hair. Not only like coloring part, it will strengthen it and add so much nutrient to your like roots and your scalp. So the treatment that I actually make at home is kind of like a protein treatment. So I call it protein treatment because we've got 2-3 things in there which are so rich in protein. And every time I do this, I swear guys, my hair fall stops straight away. Like if I'm getting hair fall today, I'll do this and the next day my hair is so much stronger. It seriously stops falling. And this treatment will also help with your gray hairs if you suffer from that. It also naturally helps with dandruff. So there's just so many benefits. I recommend doing this twice a month or once a month if you don't have the time. And it is so easy to make. So this is the henna that I personally use. You can actually use any sort of henna. It should give you the same color because this is like the natural color of henna. And the other things we need are 2 eggs. So my hair is very long. It's probably up to my hips. So I use 2 eggs. If your hair is like shorter, up to your shoulders or even like mid-length, then just use 1 egg. We're gonna need 3 or 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. This is a homemade yogurt, and I like to use full fat yogurt. If you are using like a store-bought one, use a full fat one. It will give you like more moisture and it will really give you more shine because of the good fats. And one thing that I love to include is aloe vera in my hair remedies. Aloe vera is a strange product to include in hair like remedies and things, but I seriously swear by it. I feel like it is so good for your hair and it helps me so much. So I'm using this store-bought one because I don't have the plant right now, but if you've got fresh aloe vera, you can definitely use that. So all you want to do is mix all these ingredients together. I will actually put like the whole measurement thing, you know, in the description box, so you guys can come to my video and check it out every time you're ready to make your treatment. So one thing you want to do is you want to make it into a beautiful smooth paste. The smoother it is, the easier it will be to get out of your hair and also apply into your hair. So I like to just add a little bit of like black tea, warm black tea, and kind of just put a little bit and keep mixing it until I get like the consistency that I want. You want it to be like a really smooth consistency. So before you apply your henna, it is really important to leave it to set for 1 hour, guys. I don't know like why some people don't do this, but if you leave it for an hour, it will actually develop and like all the ingredients will mix, and it will be like amazing when you apply it. So when you are ready to apply your henna, you want to do a few things. Just because I can't show you on my own hair, I will show you a live coverage in a few minutes, but because I can't show you exactly how I apply it, what you want to do is you want to put like an old t-shirt on, you want to wear some gloves, and you want to put Vaseline around your scalp and your forehead, put it on your ears, put it on your neck, anywhere that you feel like the henna might touch, because it will stain your skin just like it stains your hands. So apply the Vaseline around your forehead, anywhere where you know you don't want henna, and then you want to start applying it. So if you've got gloves on, you can literally just apply it with your fingers, or you can also use a hairbrush if you want like more precise, application. One thing that I recommend is to start from the top of your head and then go backwards. And after you have applied it to your full hair, roots and your ends of your hair, massage your hair. The more you massage it, the more it will like release its color. And then what I usually do is I put a like plastic bag on my hair and I let it set for 1 hour. Leave the mask on for 1 hour. You can also put like a shower cap on. That's a good idea. I don't know why I didn't do that. I should have probably done that. So guys, my henna treatment is on my hair. I actually went and got henna done on my hands as well, because I was just feeling a bit like festive, and it's like wedding season, so I was like, why not? Henna is a huge deal in Pakistan, so I went to like a beauty parlor and I got this professionally done. So in my hair I've actually got henna, and this is the henna that I just prepared and I showed you guys. So after I prepared it, I actually let it like develop for 1 hour, and then I applied it to my hair. You want to apply it with gloves and like really get into your roots. Make sure that you're covering your roots and make sure that you're covering your entire hair. And after I put it in my hair, I've actually put like a shopping bag on my hair. So the reason I did that is because my hair is long and it gets like, the henna gets everywhere if you don't do that. So that's what I highly recommend you to do. So what I actually do is I shampoo my hair after I wash the treatment out, and I also condition my hair. The effects that I've noticed are instant. It is so effective. It is so amazing. You guys will love me for this one, so please do try it out. I will try to find ingredients for you guys online if you want to shop online, and I will put them in the description as well. And make sure you give my video a big thumbs up and share it, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and I'm gonna go. Okay, take care guys. Bye.